Okay, we are up and running now, and we are recording. This is a video about the ledge methodology. We'll use McDonald's as our example. We use the scalp chart for this. Do not pay attention to anything other than the chart itself, because these indicators will be counterintuitive to what we're trying to do here with the ledge methodology. And with the ledge methodology, the premise is, okay, so we know that we have the VWAP here. And we know that a lot of people are looking at the same things. They're looking for statistical deviances around the mean. Some people use Bollinger Bands, some people use other metrics. We have ours plus or minus 2SD, including the overnight session. Plus 2SD is here, VWAP, excuse me, let's point this stuff out. Plus 2SD here, VWAP here, minus 2SD here. In this case, obviously with McDonald's trading above the VWAP, we are looking at the plus 2SD. So just because we poke up above the 2SD does not mean it's an automatic sale. So there's nothing saying that it can't go higher. What you're looking for is that, hey, it gets above the 2SD, which you're already kind of treading on thin ice, right, if you're long it. And then you're looking for a momentum indicator that will indicate that that momentum to the upside is waning. And that's where we use the Hull moving average here. When it's positively sloped, it's green. When it's negatively sloped, it's red. So we did pop up here, but you can see that the Hull never went red. At least you need it within 5 bars after it happens. But we're still above the 2SD here. And 2 bars after that, or approximately 6 minutes, the Hull went from positively sloped to negatively sloped. Right here. That's your indication to get short. How do we get short? We buy an at the money put. So we buy an at the money put here, and then we're looking for a regression. Ideally, back to the VWAP would be great. Your first natural support level is going to be that 20. That 20 period simple moving average. So that's where your first target is. If you get there and you're like, hey, the overall markets are tanking and I'm short, I think I want to be a little bit more aggressive with this. Just start running a trailing stop here, a tight one. You get that bounce back, well then, you don't want to miss out from getting short up at, let's just say 181-ish. And now you're down at 186.40. So about 60 cents in this trade. Your stop is going to be if we take out these highs. That's telling you that we're probably just going to move higher. So this is a low risk, right? If we get short here, we get long puts short here, and we only have to take maybe 13, 15 cents of risk. That's great. We got 40 cents of potential return. Excuse me, 60%. 60 cents of potential return. So it is a low risk, lower return, but highly effective methodology. And of course, if something were to happen on the downside, you would just do the opposite. Get down here within 5 bars. Let's see if there are any examples today. Probably not, but ledge bear. See if there's any we can take a look at. Since the markets are up, we're probably not going to get to, if we get any. It's searching. I wouldn't be surprised if we didn't get any, though. But it's the exact same thing, except you're dealing with calls. Below the 2SD, within 5 bars of that SD move below, the Hull goes from red to green. That's your signal to get long. Your first stop would be if we regress back to the 20. Yeah, there's no matching symbols, which makes sense, right? Because markets are up. Okay, any questions? Okay, this is a relatively short video, but I wanted to get it out there. I know that I posted the text that is on the campus, but I wanted to have a live example. This is how it works. Low risk, relatively low reward. If you wanted to allocate a little bit more money to that because of the low risk, that's fine. For right now, I'm still relatively new in this, maybe just like maybe a month and a half. I want to, get some of these under our belts, but it certainly seems to be working. All right, if there's no questions, just let me know. And I will post this as soon as I possibly can. Thanks a lot. Yes, Jacob. Jacob asked, do you only use the HMA and the SD for the ledge? Yes, and then you use the 20 as your support or resistance, first target of support and resistance. And then the VWAP would be your next one.